Now, here are Val Warner and Ryan Cheverini on Season 7 of Windy City Live.
Would you ever try a gold beauty mask? I probably would. We're going to have the latest beauty trends just a bit.
Spring beauty trends for you ladies that won't break the bank.
Well, we are back with one of our favorite beauty experts. She's got the latest and greatest affordable spring beauty trends for you to use right now. So welcome back to the show, the founder of thebeautygirl.com, Nicole Pearl.
But I'm finally back.
I know, congrats. I mean, I'm not kidding. We say this every segment, but like when we first started doing segments together, you didn't have any kids, and now you've got 3.
I was secretly pregnant, and now I just had my 3rd, well, 9 months ago, but it feels like yesterday.
2 girls and a boy, so congratulations.
Two boys and
2
a girl.
boys. I said that backwards. Right. But anyway, you know what I meant.
Yes.
Okay, so let's get to it, because you always seem to bring us the goods that we need, and we need to save on our pocket too.
Exactly. Okay. And with spring coming up, it is a great time of year to finally embrace color. It's been so dreary here. And a good way to do that that's really fun is through your lip color, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So I have Physicians Formula Healthy Lip Velvet Liquid Lipstick. I love these lipsticks because they go on in one slick.
Yeah.
They give you full coverage. I'm actually wearing the plum color now, but they also have skincare ingredients like avocado oil. So it feels very moisturizing and treats your lip over time.
Right. Now, are these matte or gloss?
It's a velvety finish,
So
actually.
velvety. What is that? Is that kind of like a cross between the two?
Good. Yeah, you got it.
Oh, a velvety finish.
They're really soft and they smell really good. If you want to see the one that I'm wearing, it's the plum shade.
Oh, this looks like something I should play with.
Yeah, so you can just squeeze open and smell it. All of them are really good.
Oh, yeah. I love... Oh, oops, we just broke the seal.
Well, they're brand new. I brought you good stuff. But smell how good.
Oh, that does smell good. Because here's the thing, I wear a lot of matte colors, and my lips get dried out, and I exfoliate them, and I, you know, do all of that, but I feel like they're always dry.
So with this formula, your lips will not feel cakey.
Oh, good. Okay, all right, keep going.
Okay, so now we're gonna move on because beauty sheet masks are all the rage, especially Korean beauty. So I have a great sheet mask for you that's only $5. It is from OK. It is their gold foil sheet mask. It has gold extract in it, and the gold is good for brightening your skin. It also has chamomile and apple, so it's soothing and nourishing. You leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
When you take it off, you rub in all the excess. How cool is that with that gold foil effect?
That is super cool, for especially $5. That made it extra cool.
Right, so it's really, really good to do at home.
I love that. How long do you leave that on?
10 to 20 minutes.
10 to 20 minutes. Okay, and where do you get it from? Did you say that already? It was
drugstores.
That's it.
It's so accessible.
Okay, so we teased that. Are we going to wear gold masks? I think we're going to wear gold masks for $5, right? I think so. Okay.
So now let's move on to the anti-aging category.
I'm there. I'm in that zone right now. When we started doing segments, I could care less, but now I'm like, I want to know everything.
Yeah, especially, once you hit your 30s, anti-aging is extremely important. This is from Strivectin. It's their Wrinkle Recode Wide Transforming Melting Serum. This is really unique because it has been clinically proven to reduce the appearance of deep wrinkles in 7 days, in a week, which most products cannot do that. And the way they do that is they have a technology that basically turns the use switch back on in your skin, so your skin can fight the wrinkles from within. It's really interesting. And it really takes into effect a lot of the environmental damage that we go through as we age, like lack of sleep, stress, all of that. So this will really help with that.
In 7 days. I like the sound of that. Okay, and then Vital Proteins Beauty Collagen.
Yes, well, I love this whole concept because now we're starting to approach beauty as an inner to outer beauty routine. It's not just what we put on our skin, it's what we put in our bodies. Vital Proteins is a Chicago-based company, and they have these beauty collagen powders which you just scoop into your beverage. It could be coffee, tea, water, what have you. There's nice flavored options as well. And they have collagen. So collagen is so important because we have naturally occurring protein, collagen protein in our bodies, but it starts to deplete as we age.
Right.
And so this restores the collagen because it really, that's what we need to keep our skin firm and youthful looking.
Yes.
It also has probiotics and moisturizing hyaluronic acid. So I'm telling you, after a few weeks of using this, you will notice your hair is thicker, your nails are stronger, even if your skin will glow, and if you have achy muscles, this will help to relieve that as well.
Ooh, how much can you have in a day?
Well, all you need is a couple of scoops.
Just a couple of scoops, okay. All right, sounds good. All right, what else do we have here?
So now we're moving on to an interesting brand called Noors, which was developed around the woman's cycle. This is their double duty mist. It's the world's first customizable toner. So you'll see that it's separated right now. It has 2 layers. One is focused on moisturizing and the other is focused on soothing. And so based on where you are in your cycle, so if your skin is dry and flaky, you want to shake it up, and I can just show you how to do that quickly.
Okay.
Just like that. Now, if your skin is in peak condition, you just shake it once, and if your skin is acne prone, it's that time of month, or super sensitive, you leave it as is and then apply it.
Really? That's so interesting.
So I love that it's a 3-in-1.
Yeah. And I've never heard it or seen it done like that. Okay, that's cool. What do you, well, that looks like maybe some hair color.
So, exactly, because right now for spring, the big hair color is rose gold.
Rose gold?
Yes, it is so fun. It's actually flattering on most skin types. And a lot of celebrities are sporting this trend. We've seen it on Kylie Jenner, Nicki Minaj, Kesha, the list goes on. So this is from Garnier Olia. It's their Rose collection. It comes in 2 shades. It's a great at-home hair color. I like it because it does cover grays, but it's also ammonia-free, and it's made with an oil blend, so it will leave your hair 3 times shinier.
Oh, I love that. I'm always looking for a new trend. I might just try all of that out. Okay, Nicole, thank you so much. For more information about all of the beauty products that you saw here today, please go to windycitylive.com.